Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of March, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.78. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have reaped an impressive gain of 61.79% since we initially identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate just 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of 20.60% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of approximately 14% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 80% to negative 14%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 110%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 18% to positive 113% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $9.17 and $23.77. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, Significant Movements in D-Wave Quantum Inc.'s stock price on Monday, with a fluctuation of 16.81% between high and low. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price increased by 10.15% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, rising from $10.15 to $11.18. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be intriguing to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 16.81%, ranging from a low of $10.23 to a high of $11.95. The stock has appreciated in 7 of the last 10 days, with an impressive increase of 128.16% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 52 million shares, totaling 207 million shares traded for approximately $2.32 billion. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $11.95, while the lowest was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 6.44%, or 77 cents, below the 52-week high, and 15.50%, or $2.05, below the all-time high of $13.23, which was recorded on August 10, 2022. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has recently experienced significant fluctuations in its stock price, increasing by as much as 46.9% amidst broader market optimism for technology shares. This surge is fueled by heightened interest in quantum computing and artificial intelligence, particularly following NVIDIA's pivotal announcements at its annual conference. Investors seem to be rallying around the potential for transformative advancements in these sectors. While the forward-looking outlook for D-Wave remains mixed, recent earnings reports indicate some promising trends. The company reported fourth-quarter revenue of $2.3 million, exceeding expectations. However, persistent challenges regarding profitability are evident, with expenses still surpassing revenue growth. Despite eliminating debt and boosting cash reserves to $300 million, the path to consistent profits appears challenging in the immediate term. In the short term, the recent momentum in stock price could lead to increased investor confidence, potentially attracting more buying interest. However, in the longer term, sustained interest will likely depend on how effectively D-Wave can translate its technological capabilities into profitability in a competitive landscape, where the timeline for widespread quantum adoption remains uncertain. This balancing act between potential growth and current financial realities will be crucial for QBTS as it navigates the evolving quantum computing market. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley issued a buy rating for QBTS, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, B. Riley again provided a buy rating for QBTS, this time with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Nidas as a buy, also suggesting a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler rated QBTS as overweight, recommending a hold action. Additionally, on that same Tuesday, Benchmark gave QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have provided D-Wave Quantum stock with a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also assigned the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The chart shows mostly positive signals today. D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Notably, there is a general buy signal resulting from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $7.04 and $6.15. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 191.91%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 91 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 95 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.15 and $9.91. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.15. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $9.91 and $8.96. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies this stock as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.72 between its high and low, or 16.81%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 21.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a consensus of negative 0.09. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the appropriate time to exit. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $10.15. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of March, 2025, Nguyen Dian executed an insider purchase of 101,721 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. executed an insider purchase of 430,360 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 10th of February, 2025, Nguyen Dian executed an insider sale of 2,791 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 23rd of January, 2025, Markovich John M. executed an insider sale of 5,582 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the same day, Baratz Allen E. executed an insider sale of 8,372 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 31.262. In total, insiders purchased 48,006,651 shares and sold 94,980,996 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.85, which reflects a decrease of 2.96%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period is 77, further amplifying the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 43 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? D-Wave Quantum Incorporated shows several positive indicators. Although the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, we believe it remains a solid choice at these levels. Our expectation is that D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock will perform exceptionally well in the upcoming 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold accumulate to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, March 18th, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open lower by 6 cents, starting at $11.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.